welcome to my channel and welcome in my basement. So today we're going to be talking about kite surfing equipment because a lot of people are always asking me, how do I start kite surfing? And I don't know the equipment that I need in order to start. And you need a couple of great equipment in order to be safe and be comfortable on the water. So you're gonna see me teaching you these things from my basement because it's winter time in Canada and I don't feel for putting my winter suits just to freeze to death outside. And there's a winter storm right now, so I'm gonna stay inside, guys. And there's a stove just right there, so I'm good inside. But it's gonna be a pleasure to make a video this summer for the same thing, and I'm gonna be like on the beach somewhere. It's gonna be so much fun. So let's dive into action right now. I'm gonna show you exactly what kind of equipment you need in order to start kite surfing. First of all, I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna go on forums and on Facebook groups in order to find the cheapest and the most affordable kite gear out there. Let me tell you something. If you find equipment like 3 kites, 1 board, 1 harness, 1 bar, or 3 bars for $300, it's dangerous because it's probably really old equipment. Gonna say, yeah, but it's equipment from 2006 and it's really great and the guy never used it. Let me tell you something. I've been kiting for like 12 years. I'm an ICAO certified instructor, and you need to have gear that is safe. It's your safety because you have to remember that it's an extreme sport. Even though it's an easy sport to practice, I can tell you it can become really dangerous. So you need to have equipment that is going to be safe. So I would suggest to not go with that offer for $300 or $200 for like your whole gear. It's really not a good deal, guys. So let's start with what you need for your kite. Okay, let's go. So we want to talk about equipment. Let's talk about the kite itself. So here is my bag with my kite, and here's my kite. And, woo! Stay with me because I'm gonna pump my kite in my basement. It's gonna be funny, maybe not for me, but for you. We always put our kites in like 2 kites in 1 bag because for storage it's easier. So you have a kite here, and it's an inflatable kite, so you need a pump. So here's your pump, and so you have your tube, so you just connect it to the pump, and it's a 2-way pump, so you pull and you push, and it's gonna pump your kite. Woohoo! You're gonna need a bar, so I'm gonna show you what your life depends on. It's these super small lines, so you see? I'm gonna show you the red one. So you have the red line here. Your life depends on that, and on that little loop that you're gonna attach to a little knot at the end of your kite. So if you're interested in kite surfing, then you understand that you have a kite, you have 25 meters line, and you have a bar, so you're holding on to that bar, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Because here I have a harness, so I put it around my waist. You have a waist harness, you have seats as well, but so it's different models. I really definitely prefer this because I really love freestyle. You're gonna see freestyle in different videos I'm gonna post. So subscribe to my channel if you want to have more kite surfing tips, and give me some likes, give me some comments. And also, if you want to know how I get to kite surf as much as I want, click on the first link below. You're gonna know how I make my income with my online business. So that's how I live. Woohoo! So I'll show you how it works. So you just have the chicken loop here, whoop, and here it's the donkey stick or the donkey dick, how we call it. I'm a certified kite surfing instructor, and I used to call it the donkey dick because it makes laugh the students that are super nervous about learning. And then you kite like that. So all the pull is in the harness. You don't have to have like super huge arms and be the strongest woman or man in the world. Sometimes I kite just with 1 hand like that, woo-hoo. And yeah, it's really not hard on the arms, it's hard on the tights. You're gonna have really nice fit tights with kite surfing. So that was the harness. So what else do you need if you want to kite? You're gonna need a board. So here's my boyfriend's board. So super simple. You have different sizes, and this is the foot straps. So you just put your feet in the foot straps like that. You see, we still have some sand in it. We really love kite surfing in nice warm beaches, and so you have different sizes, different shapes, depending on what you want. But most of the time you start with a like average board, and then you see what you like. If you like freestyle, or you want to go for free riding, so or if you want to go in waves. So depending if you want to jump around, if you want to just move around and go right, left, or if you want to go in the waves, you're going to choose a different board. And you can have foot straps that are booties, so it's just like in wakeboard. So if you're going like really hard with freestyle, you want to have your feet that stick to your board, you're going to go with booties. Okay, we're going to talk about sun protection. I'm not going to talk about the best sunscreen, guys. I'm just going to talk about this. This is a super nice rash guard. It's protecting you from the sun. And also, I can tell you, I don't know what they do in movies, but it's not true that you can keep your bikini on while you kite surf. You're going to have, you know what, flying around, and you're with a rash guard, everything stays in place, guys. So that's really cool. I don't really suggest a black one. That's a gift that I got from my brother last year, but I suggest more like bright colors, so if you have problems, people can find you. And it's also super warm, so it's just, if you're like kiting in the Caribbean, you're not gonna like that black one. It's gonna be too warm, and you're just gonna, yeah, it's not gonna be nice. Also, I deeply suggest to have shorts, because it's the same reason as the bikini. You're not gonna keep your the bottom of your bikini if you don't have these shorts. And it's really stretchy. I really like it. It's also sunproof, and I really like the models. I'm super jealous of all the shorts models that I see for guys, because they're always super stretchy. Like whatever brand, it's really stretchy. And these ones, I found them and I was just like, oh my god, can't believe it exists. Normally it's super stiff for the girls, but this one, I found them and Simon's. It's a store in province of Quebec, and it's really great. So that's good to have. Otherwise, you lose your bikini, and it's really not nice. Okay, if you go in waters that are a little bit cooler, go with shorty. You see, it's a small wetsuit, and it's just 2 millimeters thick, and that's gonna be great. If you just like, it's warm outside, but the water is a little bit cold, and you just wait 2 seconds, and you just want to enjoy your ride. You put a small shorty like that we call, and you're just gonna keep warm and stay for a longer ride. So you're just gonna enjoy more your ride. Am I gonna say ride for like 5th time? I don't know, maybe. So that's a shorty. And if you go really like for the cold ride, or if you're like always shivering like me, I go with this awesome wetsuit from Rip Curl. It's the Flash Bomb. Oh my god, if I can find a link for you guys, I'm gonna put it below the video. And by the way, I repeated, please share and like my video. Give me some comments, give me some likes, because I really like talking about kitesurf, but I like to talk about kitesurf with humans as well, not just with my cell phone in my basement. So yeah, if you could subscribe to my channel, I really appreciate it. And if you want to know how I can live when from an online business, just click on the link, the first link below. Okay, that's the Flash Bomb. Oh my god, you have a hoodie, and even though you don't need to put the hoodie out all the time, but if you put it, oh my god, it's going to be so warm, you're not going to believe it. It's not going to be a great look. You're going to look like a, I don't know, kind of chipmunk. It's really weird, but it's super, like, it's not like super flashy. You have Rip Curl written just at the back, and it's a 5'4" wetsuit. So it means it's 4 millimeters everywhere except on the chest. It's 5 millimeters, so it really keeps you warm. I've been kiting on water where there was ice still, and it was like still frozen, and at one point I was just saying to myself, oh my god, I can't believe it, it's just like too warm. So, but I kite with it during summer as well, and I can just really enjoy. And when it's really, really windy, it can be really cold. So you're really going to enjoy a really thick wetsuit. But it's a step-by-step process. You're going to see when you start kiting what kind of wetsuit you want to use. And if you're in the Caribbean, you're not going to have to know anything about wetsuits because you're just going to kite with your little shorts and your rash guard. And if you don't have the hood, you can just have a beanie like that. And it's something like $10 or $15 at Mountain Equipment Co-op in Quebec. And you're gonna see, oh my God, it doesn't look nice, but it keeps you warm, and you know, you lose your heat with the by the head and the arms and the arms and the feet. So you better keep your head warm, and you're gonna just enjoy your ride. It's all about enjoying your ride. And finally, you can have these awesome gloves. I found them at Patagonia, and they are awesome. I think it's mostly for surfing because you have the three fingers, but it's really great because sometimes you have to pull some lines, some power, depower, and I really like that. And it's super thick, and I think it's a 4 or 5 millimeters, but you keep your agility with your hands because you have like 3 fingers. So that's really, really great. So I have that. And you can have booties. I don't have long feet like that. It's my boyfriend's. But booties that are really like wetsuit made. And they're really nice as well. My feet are always frozen. So I really like to have great booties. And it's good to invest in something good with plastic beneath. Because you're going to walk on beaches or rocks or you don't know. And if you invest in something really cheap, it's gonna break super quick. So you better invest in something that is quality. Anyway, it's gonna last for longer. So that was it for today, guys. I'm gonna show you how we pump a kite. And since I don't want to go outside and I don't want to have anyone to film me, and I'm in my basement, we're gonna pump a kite in my basement. So you're gonna see how we pump a kite because most of people are asking me like, how do we pump a kite? Oh my God, you have to pump a kite. Yes, you have to put some air. The air makes the structure in your kite. You have the main bladder and then you have struts, and that's how your kite holds in the air. You don't have to put like metal things or stuff like that. It's all about putting some air in that kite and make it tight enough so you can have a really nice, great ride. See you on the other side. I'm going to pump my kite just right on the other side of the camera. Okay, ciao. Okay, guys, just for you, I decided to pump my kite in my basement. I don't know what's gonna happen, and as you can see, it's a little mess because I have 3 really young kids. But anyway, that's the point. Is just that I want to show you how to pump a kite. Okay, let's do this. I cannot turn it around because I don't have more space. And I had some problems with my pump. I don't know why. But that's it. That's my smallest kite. That's a 7-meter kite. So that's how you got your whole structure of your kite. That was pumping a kite in the basement. Okay? Take care, guys.